Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we are 24 hours after the release of the Patch Tuesday updates for security. And of course, these updates are mandatory. You can, of course, use certain tricks to block them for a certain amount of time, but eventually they'll have to be installed, especially there are a few 0 days that are exploited in the wild in the updates. So it's kind of important to make sure to stay safe, to have the updates. I know some of you are waiting because you want to make sure that it doesn't mess up anything, and so you wait until there's kind of a green light saying, yeah, they look fine. And with Microsoft's past history of messing up updates, I understand why this happens. The updates seem to be right now rolling out nicely, and for the most part, of course, there's a background noise. I always call it the background noise. The small amount of people that have problems installing updates that have a lot more to do most of the time with the computers than with Windows itself. We didn't talk about what was the general Patch Tuesday updates this month for all of Microsoft's services. So, of course, you didn't have them. You can go and check out if you've got them installed by going to your settings into Windows Update, check updates, or you can also go to the update history, see if there's anything that has installed in the past few days. One question that came, somebody said, I don't have the .NET 8.0.13 update. Is it normal? Yeah, it depends if you have the .NET version here. Not everybody has this version of .NET. I have it for a specific reason of one software that needs it. But for the most part, a lot of people don't. So if you don't see any of that, it's fine. Don't worry about it. So the February 2025 updates are a total of 63 security updates for various Microsoft products. So this is everything from Office to Windows and so on. And there's 4 security updates for non-Microsoft issues like Chromium. The Windows 10 operating system has received a 31 vulnerabilities, 1 critical flaw. So this is what has been fixed. So 31 vulnerabilities, 1 critical, and 30 important. There's Windows 11 22H2 that had 23H2, sorry, that had 31 vulnerabilities, 1 critical, 30 important, same as Windows 10. The Windows 11 version 24H2 had 35 vulnerabilities, 2 critical, and 33 important. So it shows that sometimes updating does not mean you're more safe. This is actually a great example of somebody posting, well, you're wrong. Why don't you let people go to 24H2? Tell them to go there. It's safer and better. Well, we just seen that there's more security flaws in 24H2 than there was in 23H2. So that's what I mean when I say, nope, not true. As for the rest, of course, a lot of the security updates fix different parts of Windows. And there's, of course, Microsoft Office in there. To answer one question, that is, why can't I just block these updates, make sure I never have them? You don't want that. You want to have these updates because security updates are the number one reason your computer stays safe, not antivirus. So make sure that you update your systems. And finally, yeah, of course, some people will rant at it. I did my daily rant on it. The update pushes Outlook on Windows 10 and, of course, Windows 11. So be happy as mailing calendar is gone, or still there, but it just sends you to Outlook. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.